Hello, good morning everyone. And now we are going to discuss about the topic where are most of the people employed. Up to now we have studied about that the tertiary sector is getting more importance in India in the present scenario, but the primary sector can't be eliminated to this also. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि आज भी प्राइमरी सेक्टर का उतना ही महत्व है जितना कि पहले था, लेकिन इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो कम हुआ है. टुडे वी आर फाइंडिंग दैट द प्राइमरी सेक्टर इज ओनली एम्प्लॉइंग अबाउट 55% of the workforce. It is employing about 55% of the workforce in India, and the rest of the workforce it is employed in the manufacturing sector or the tertiary activities. Then the reason for the performance of the primary sector not up to the mark because it is saturated. आज के दौर में प्राइमरी सेक्टर जो है सैचुरेटेड हो चुका है और इस सैचुरेशन के चलते उसमें काम कम है. Because the people are only preferring to grow the food grains. As the population is rising day by day, we are in a need of more food grains. But the problem lies in the question that how we can divert the people from the primary sector activities to more productive activities. तो कैसे हम प्राइमरी सेक्टर एक्टिविटीज़ को और प्रोडक्टिव बना सकते हैं, उसमें और हम लोग संशोधन करके उसको और इम्पोर्टेंट बना सकते हैं. Here we are going to find it out. Establishment of cottage industries in the village or rural areas. Cottage industries or small scale manufacturing units can be set up, like making of flour mills or rice processing units or or oil making units from rice bran, etc. So some people can be employed here also. In this way we can reduce the pressure on the agricultural lands. तो इस तरह से हम लोग खेती पे जो निर्भरता है लोगों की उसको कम कर सकते हैं डाइवर्ट करके, एंड मेकिंग द पीपुल स्किल्ड. इफ द पीपुल आर स्किल्ड then they can do the work in a very good manner, or their earning of the people can also be increased due to the skillfulness. A lot of people they also can be diverted towards producing the crops which yield raw material for the industries. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जो कृषि पर निर्भर हैं रॉ मटेरियल के लिए, लाइक देयर आर ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्शन प्लांट फ्रॉम द राइस ब्रान. Then there are biscuit units, bread units. They require the wheat flour from the market directly. And apart from this, there are many small units which manufacture the agricultural tools and implements. So the people can be diverted towards them. People can be educated at the rural level such that they can develop themselves. We know that education is a compulsory factor in the development. तो शिक्षा के विकास के द्वारा लोगों का विकास संभव है और शिक्षा से ही लोगों का विकास हो सकता है. The people can acquire certain skills, craftsmanship, and that will encourage them to earn more, and the contribution of the primary sector to the GDP will grow. तो इस तरह से प्राइमरी सेक्टर का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो जीडीपी को बढ़ते रहेगा और जो पलायन होता है गांवों से शहरों की तरफ उसमें कमी आएगी. Then that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day.